Okay, in the last tutorial we were limiting admin rights on the side of client. We don't need that option anymore. Let's revert to normal rights, normal operation, full privileges, let's say. So how can we simplify this script and how can we do directory changes on the side of client? Well, first simplification. We can grab this piece of code because we are going to extract it into dedicated function. So def common without any kind of arguments, and copy paste will get the job done, but I think that we need to fix indentation here. So let me try to do that. Okay, something like this. And also all other things need to be flushed for one level of indentation on the left side. They need to be aligned with op module, sorry, not module, but object. Okay, that's cool. Now what? How we are going to simplify this and how we are going to check that admin wants to change directory? Well, let me see. First, we do have a lot of data decode right here, which is bad. We need to put that into one line. So extracted will be object that will be a result of data decoding. Let's hopefully I typed that correctly, extracted. And we are just going to copy paste this right here. Absolutely same stuff. And now we can just type here extracted to be printed. Why is that good? Why do we need that? Because down there it is relatively easily to go through all these things and to extract cd part of change directory command. Let me describe that right here. So if extracted consists of cd, but where? In the first two characters, of course. That's a classical Linux or BSD or Windows command. So if first things in command that arise from admin side are cd, then we are going to do something. Well, we will use OS module to change directory. So import OS, and now we need to use it down there. In a try block of code, we will say if this is fine, then we will say os.chdir, change directory, and now we will target extracted, but more than 3 characters. Whatever is after second character, third actually, we are going to use in os change dir, because let me explain. Normally what arrives from side of admin will be like something like this. cd like games. Okay, so with this colon 2 we are grabbing cd, and with this more than a 3 we are grabbing GAMES and something else. So something from here further to the right side. That's why we need 2 here to grab cd and 3 plus to grab anything from here to the right side. That's why. Okay, that's cool. Now, if this is cool, we are also going to send a report to admin so that admin knows what is happening. S is connection, send all. What are we going to send here? Well, some kind of custom report like directory get, directory changed, and then we will concatenate that with full command that arises from admin side. Why not? And then we will say done. So this is just a custom report. Is that enough? No, we also need to encode this because we are sending that over wire or through wireless means on the left side, on admin side, right? So encode, and that's cool. Now, if this is fine, then cool. But if we do some kind of problem, then we will say except, and in that case, we are going to print that something is wrong, that there is no such directory if admin types something stupid, if this can't be executed. So we will say no such directory, that will be printed on a client side, and also we need to send same stuff to admin so that admin knows what is happening. So s.send all, why not? Hard-coded pretty much string here, no such, actually uppercase N, no such directory, and we need to encode it. And what I'm missing here, am I missing here something? Oh, D, let's say that will be uppercase. What is this? This is leftover from previous script, we don't need it. Let me delete this white space here, a little bit of vertical difference between if and else. Now, this is dedicated for data changes, for directory changes. This change directory command, obviously. But if extracted is like a normal command that need to be sent to sub-processes like ping, like dir, like netstat, like ipconfig, then we need to activate this piece of code. And we're going to do that through command function. So we don't need this stuff anymore, not needed, but we need common function. Okay, now on the side of admin, there is actually problem because we didn't solve white spaces or empty commands. How we are going to fix that? Well, let me see. We will grab command, okay, and then we will say if length of that command is higher than 0, so there is some command, then we are going to do all these things. So let me flush those things to the right side. And what else we can do? Right, else, in a case that admin doesn't type anything, that he just press enter, then we are going to say print, for example, no empty commands. That will be printed on the side of admin. That will not be sent to client because it is stupid. This is just information for admin. Right. First I need to start this stuff, run module, and a little bit of alignment. Hopefully this will be visible on your screen. And now hopefully this will work. I have OS module, run module. Okay. We do have something. We do have connection. That's cool. Let me see what's going on. If I say test, okay, that works. So if I type something stupid, then this part of the code will work. This common method. Actually, this part will work of that method. So that's cool. We are handling that well. Let me test that one more time with some useful command like ping, and now we will just get help. Okay, help, because we are not targeting some specific domain. So let's target Google. Ping Google. Wait a little bit. Hopefully. Oh, that's cool. Ping localhost. Well, that's wrong domain. Right, that's cool. Ping localhost, and that must work. Okay, what about directory changes? And that was the whole purpose of this tutorial. So cd in a root, I'm gonna go of my drive. Directory changed, cd c blah 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 is executed, but actually I need to concatenate this a little bit better. This is stupid. This is silly report where I was messing this. Done. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. I think that's cool. Let me run this one more time because that was silly report. Totally ugly. Well, at least visually. When I say dir again. Oh, there you go. No empty commands because I'm pressing enter all the time. Dir, squeezed text. And now let me confirm that. Now we are in same place where I do have these scripts for this playlist, client and admin. But when I say cd root, and can I do dir? There you go. So obviously, because I don't want to blur this report again, I will not click on squeeze text, but you can bet that there is a big report of my root, what is there. So I don't want to click here because it is stupid to blur, just too much work. But you get the point. So yeah, that works. Now, unfortunately, this is not Linux, so I cannot say something like this, pvd, because it is not thing that Windows supports. So I will get stupid reports. But I think that I can do something like echo cd, and then I will get working directory. Maybe, I'm not sure. I can't remember all these Windows commands. Is that working? No empty commands. Maybe it's working to some degree. I need to work on this script a little bit more. But it is working. So basically, if you wanna do remotely directory detection, like pvd on Linux, just use echo and that. Let me test that one more time. Echo cd. Oh, that works. So let me dir again, and here I don't have a result, but here I have it. One more time, dir. Oh, there you go. So sometimes you need to type dir or repeat command couple of times. Obviously I need to work on this script a little bit more, but let me just repeat what this source code is doing, because maybe you are confused. So on an admin side, we are just confirming that we are actually typing anything, and if we type some kind of command, then these lines will be executed. But if we just press enter, then this will be executed and it will ask us to import new stuff again because of this while loop. On the side of client, we have dedicated function without any kind of arguments that will just run anything that is connected to sub-processes. So there is no new code here, it is just extracted in dedicated method, so we can use it down there. Okay, so here we don't use data decode anymore so much, we are just extracting those things and putting it into extracted, then we are printing it on a client so client can see, or coworker, what's happening. Then we are checking if there is a cd in admin command, that means that admin wants to change directory. In that case we are using OS module to change directory, and then we are sending report to admin. And if this will not work, then we are sending to admin that something bad happens, there is some kind of typo, no such directory, and we are also printing that on the side of this dude, which is coworker. So yeah, that's pretty much it in this tutorial. What was the tutorial? 14 minutes long, 30 minutes, something like that. That's way too much than I was hoping for that it will be, but anyway. Okay guys, thank you for support and subscription. Thank you for watching, for sharing this channel with other people, and yeah, see ya in the next tutorial. Maybe I'm going to work on this script a little bit more. Okay, thank you for watching, see you there, ciao.